June was our anniversary month. So we're bringing you another fun and delicious anniversary bundle. And this year we designed Tropicana. In this bundle comes with a 3-piece polish called Tropicana, starting with papaya, very signature papaya color. This is mangosteen. This one is kind of like a violet cream purple. And here our last one in the collection is called pitaya, which is like an electric pink. Very nice color. Look at those colors together. And you also get the plate. Ta-da! With this, you can enjoy a fruitful bounty of these delectable delights, and some of which we grow here on the island, and others are just popular for the season. And lastly, the set does come with a stamper and a scraper. So this is going to be our anniversary bundle for everyone.